Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you guys my Octoly haul. So the first thing I got is from Cotop Beauty, and it's the Soniclear Petite in the Purple Majesty. This brush retails for $89, and I'll go ahead and link it down below at the places that you could actually purchase it from. Two of the places that I do know is Cotop's website and Ulta. So in the box you get a USB charger with the ventilated brush cap and a plastic case for storage. This brush features 3 speeds with the built-in timer, and it beeps to remind you to move to the next area. It's waterproof, so you could even use it in the shower. In the instructions it says to use with the light cleanser. I like to use mine with Cetaphil Daily Facial. Since using the brush I've noticed a softer skin, and I don't know if this has helped me with it, but I've noticed smaller pores. I'm very happy with the Soniclear, and I honestly do recommend it for your skincare. So next I got the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation. This foundation is vegan and full coverage with the matte finish. The foundation retails for $40 and it has 1 fluid ounce. It has a pump, which is a big thumbs up for me because it makes it easier to apply. I have oily skin, so I was excited to try this out. I've been using MAC Studio Fix Fluid for several years, and to be honest, I really like this one better. So if you have dry skin, I'm not sure if I would recommend this, since I do find that it does kind of dry your face. So this foundation actually controls my oil during the day, and I do have a matte finish throughout the day. My shade is 7.0. I'm currently a MAC NC42 just for skin reference. I also got the Quick Pro Glitters 5-piece polish set by PUR Cosmetics. This set retails for $39 and it can be found at PUR Cosmetics online, and if I find other places I'll go ahead and link them down below. So this set includes 5 shades: a rose gold, a charcoal, a yellow gold, a cranberry, and a brownish colorful shimmer. These can be used as a primer or base, or even as a topper. If you want to use them as a topper, I find that it's best to apply them with a fluffy blending brush to avoid any harsh edges, or just to avoid applying more than what you need. So the final product that I got is from Lancome. This is their 10 full-size bestseller set. You pay $63.50 for a value of $350. There's 2 sets. There's a warm and cool. The one that I got, it's the glow warm set. The products come inside a big black train case. The set includes a small pink glittery makeup bag, 2 eyeshadow and blush palettes in warm day and night. So the eyeshadows, after I swatched them, I wasn't really impressed with them. I feel that they're very powdery, so they're not as pigmented as I would want an eyeshadow to be. 2 color designed lip colors in 329 Love It and 126 Natural Beauty. 1 mascara and 1 mascara base, and 2 juicy tubes. A makeup remover, a sample of a perfume that honestly I'm not going to try to pronounce because I know I'm going to butcher the name. So this concludes my Octoly haul. If you're interested in joining Octoly and want to learn more about it, I will have the link down below. And I wanted to say that I did receive these products for free for review purposes, and all opinions are my own. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video.